Sure, here's a fully rewritten, original, and more expanded version of the script you asked for, done in paragraph form with a storytelling flow, using a strong hook at the start and a sharp ending as requested. Have you ever held your phone and thought, what if this could be even thinner or even more powerful? Well, Apple seems to have asked the same question, and the answers they're rumored to reveal with the iPhone 17 lineup might just reshape the way we think about smartphones. Not just incremental upgrades, not just another version. This time, it feels like Apple is drawing a line in the sand. Do you want the lightest, sleekest iPhone experience ever, or the most powerful feature-packed beast they've ever created? Picture it. You're sliding an iPhone 17 Air out of your pocket, so thin it almost feels unreal, like a futuristic device straight out of a sci-fi movie. According to early leaks, the Air model could measure an astonishing 5.65 millimeters at its slimmest point. For comparison, the current Pro Max is a chunky 8.75 millimeters. It's not just a slimmer phone, it's a statement. Apple seems to be chasing an entirely new aesthetic. Minimalism so extreme that you feel it the moment you pick it up. But, as with everything in tech, that elegance comes at a price. That ultra-thin frame? It might mean sacrifices in battery life, durability, and even raw performance. It's almost like buying a sleek sports car. Looks incredible, feels incredible, but maybe not what you want for a cross-country road trip. Meanwhile, on the other side of the battlefield, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is going in the exact opposite direction. Thicker, heavier, and absolutely loaded. Apple appears to be leaning hard into endurance and capability with the Pro Max, and honestly, it's about time. Think about it. If you're the kind of person constantly tethered to a charger by 2 p.m., this news should have you excited. The Pro Max is rumored to be packing the largest battery in iPhone history, potentially offering a full 2-day lifespan on a single charge. 2 days. No anxiety about whether you remembered your charger. No frantic battery-saving mode toggles. Just pure, uninterrupted usage. And it gets better. Apple has long lagged behind in the race for faster charging speeds, stubbornly capping out at 25W, while Android rivals zoom ahead with 100W chargers. That might finally change. Sources suggest the iPhone 17 Pro Max will introduce significantly faster charging, potentially ending the ritual of leaving your phone plugged in overnight. Quick top-ups throughout the day could soon become the norm, making the Pro Max not just powerful but refreshingly practical. But, of course, more power brings more heat. Apple isn't blind to this. To manage the extra thermal load, the Pro Max could feature advanced cooling technology. Think heat pipes or even a full vapor chamber system. This upgrade won't just keep your phone comfortable to the touch during intense gaming sessions or 4K video editing. It could also extend the device's lifespan by preventing internal damage from overheating. Less heat equals better performance, longer durability, and an overall smoother experience. Cameras have always been Apple's pride and joy, and this year, the Pro Max could pull even further ahead. Imagine snapping breathtaking shots with a 10x optical zoom, offering DSLR-like clarity for distant subjects. Envision 48MP sensors across every rear lens, delivering consistency and stunning detail in every frame, whether you're shooting a sunset, your pet, or a TikTok dance. Even the front-facing camera might get a massive leap to somewhere between 24MP and 48MP. It's not just about better selfies. It's about making your whole digital life look sharper, brighter, and more cinematic. But hardware is only half the story. For the first time, Apple is expected to weave deep AI smarts into every corner of the iPhone experience. This goes way beyond Siri. We're talking AI-enhanced photography that intelligently optimizes your shots, predictive text that feels almost telepathic, and personalized multitasking where your phone learns your habits and adjusts your workflow dynamically. It's the kind of intelligent assist you won't realize you needed until you have it. And the design? Oh, it's getting an overhaul too. We could be looking at a larger 6.9-inch display with even slimmer bezels, framed in a futuristic metal glass composite that improves durability without sacrificing that iconic Apple elegance. The camera layout might shift to a bold horizontal rectangle, a subtle but significant visual cue that this isn't just another yearly refresh. It's a reimagining of what the Pro Max can be. Some whispers even hint that foldable prototypes are lurking in Apple's secret labs. While we're unlikely to see a folding iPhone in 2025, it's fascinating to think that the design seeds are already being planted for the next decade of smartphones. Performance-wise, the Pro Max is not pulling punches either. Rumors suggest 12 gigabytes of RAM, finally matching top-tier Android devices. That boost unlocks true multitasking muscle, split-screen apps, seamless gaming, pro-grade video editing on the go. If you've ever felt your phone lag while juggling Spotify, Maps, and your inbox all at once, those days might soon be over. Durability is also on Apple's mind. They're reportedly using a new composite material to make the Pro Max even more resistant to scratches and cracks. Plus, improved water and dust resistance ensures your $1,000-plus investment can survive the chaos of everyday life. It's not just about how the phone looks out of the box. It's about how it holds up 3 years down the road. So, as the iPhone 17 lineup comes into sharper focus, the choice Apple is offering feels more deliberate than ever. Will you chase the featherweight grace of the Air or harness the monstrous power of the Pro Max? Each path represents a different vision for the future of mobile technology. Minimalism versus maximization. Of course, all of this is based on leaks and rumors, and only time will tell what Apple actually unveils. But if even half of these expectations are met, it's clear the iPhone 17 series isn't just evolution. It's a revolution in how we choose our most essential devices. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.